One is loud and precise. The other one senses in silence. Two separate devices, each designed to elevate your performance. Smart dice aren't new, but they're not all built the same. Most need regular charging. Some drain themselves just sitting in your case. Others miss signals when it matters most. You've seen the problems. Now meet the solution. BLE dice were designed to fix all of that. It runs for years on a single battery. No charging, no cables. Our very first prototype has been running for over 3 years. Still going. And in our first production run, 93% of the units still held over 85% battery after 2 full years of real-world use. It handles drops, extreme temperatures, and signal interference without flinching. It even knows the difference between being picked up and just being jostled in your bag. The tech is solid, but the goal was never to impress engineers. It was to make life easier for performers. You can read the results on your phone or hide a receiver in your palm. 1 die or 5. Every number, every total in real time. You can even get a whisper in your ear with voice cues through an earpiece. Not everything has to look like a die. That's where the cube comes in. It looks like a die, but it's clean on all sides. You choose what goes on it. Numbers, ESP symbols, colors, animals. You make the system, the tech still handles the rest. We started building this back in 2018, went through over a dozen prototypes, rebuilt everything from scratch. At one point, we spent 3 months just trying to make the battery last a little longer. This is what came out of that, a tool that stays out of your way and does its job every single time. L-Bell started as a simple idea and became one of our most popular releases. But the original just had one button, one press, one ring. That's it. When every cue depends on perfect timing, manually pressing a button can get in the way. We took everything performers asked for and built it in. This is Pro. A full upgrade with 7 programmable modes. You can set how many times it rings to fit your performance perfectly and give yourself more outs. You can also set the delay before it starts to give you enough time to build up the moment. Control the interval between each ring to shape the energy of the moment. And get a vibration cue on the remote so you'll always know exactly when that first chime hits. Once it's set, all it takes is one press to run the whole sequence. You can keep it subtle or go full chaos mode. These aren't side projects. They're ideas we've been building and holding back for years. We've tested them, performed with them, improved them. And now we're finally ready to share them with you. We hope you enjoy using them as much as we've loved creating them. Thanks for the support.
Everything's better with bacon.